Being replaced can awaken an old fear you did not know was still alive. It can reopen childhood wounds about being overlooked or second best. The present pain blends with past memory. And suddenly the loss feels larger than the relationship itself. The mind does not separate timelines easily. It pulls old insecurities into new experiences. You may find yourself reacting more intensely than logic would suggest. That intensity is layered history speaking. This is why being replaced can feel like rejection at your core. It does not just touch romance, it touches belonging. Belonging is fundamental to human stability. When belonging feels revoked, the nervous system reacts strongly. But belonging cannot be revoked by one person's decision. True belonging begins internally. When someone leaves or replaces you, they remove themselves from your life. They do not remove your inherent worth. There is also an ego dimension to being replaced. Ego wants to feel chosen above others. When someone selects someone else, ego interprets it as competition lost. Yet love was never meant to be a competition. Love is alignment, not victory. If someone aligns differently later, that shift reflects evolving preference, not your failure. People change at different speeds. And change is not betrayal by default. It is easy to assume the new person must offer something extraordinary. Your mind may create an exaggerated image of their superiority. You imagine qualities amplified and flaws erased. But imagination is not reality. You are seeing a highlight reel, not the full picture. Every relationship contains unseen tension and private struggle. What appears seamless from the outside rarely is. Perspective without proximity distorts perception. Being replaced also invites a powerful question. Were you truly fulfilled in that relationship, or were you simply attached to it? Sometimes loss reveals compromises you normalized. And sometimes replacement exposes imbalance you tolerated. This realization can feel uncomfortable. It may challenge the narrative that you were entirely content. Growth often arrives disguised as pain. And clarity sometimes hides inside rejection. When you detach from comparison, something shifts internally. You stop asking why they chose differently. You start asking what you truly need. That question redirects energy back toward self-definition. Self-definition is stabilizing. It anchors you in values rather than validation. Validation fluctuates depending on who is watching. Values remain consistent regardless of who leaves. Being replaced is not the end of your story. It is a pivot point. It redirects your emotional trajectory. And pivots create movement, not collapse. There will come a day when the image of them with someone else no longer dominates your thoughts. The intensity will soften. The narrative will lose its emotional charge. And space will open where pain once lived. In that space, perspective grows. You will see that being replaced did not diminish you. It refined you. It clarified what you will and will not accept again. Strength is not built in comfort. It is built in moments that force you to stand alone. Standing alone after feeling replaced is an act of quiet courage. And courage reshapes identity. You are not interchangeable. You are not a placeholder. You are a specific combination of depth, experience, and character that cannot be duplicated. The person who replaces you may eventually learn that depth matters more than novelty. They may realize that stability outweighs excitement. But that realization belongs to their journey, not yours. Your journey is about remembering your value without needing someone else to confirm it. It is about holding your head steady when comparison tempts you to bow. It is about choosing growth instead of bitterness. Bitterness freezes you in the moment of rejection. Growth moves you beyond it. Growth transforms pain into discernment. Discernment protects you without hardening you. Being replaced can feel like the end of something precious. But it can also be the beginning of alignment. Alignment with someone who sees your depth immediately. Alignment with someone who does not require crisis to appreciate your presence. One day, you will look back and realize the replacement was redirection. You will see that what felt like humiliation was actually separation from something limited. And you will recognize that your worth never decreased. It remained constant. Even when someone else failed to see it. And that is the truth that sets you free. There is a quiet power in surviving replacement without losing softness. It means you felt deeply and still chose not to harden permanently. Many people confuse detachment with strength. True strength is the ability to remain open without being naive. Remaining open after feeling replaced is not weakness. It is emotional maturity. It says that one person's decision will not dictate your entire capacity for love. It proves that your depth belongs to you, not to them. Being replaced can refine your standards in ways comfort never could. It forces you to ask whether you were being fully met. It sharpens your awareness of red flags you once ignored. And it teaches you to recognize reciprocity sooner. When the right person arrives, you will notice something different. There will be no competition, no comparison, and no subtle insecurity. You will feel chosen without needing to fight for the position. And that feeling will be calm rather than chaotic.